This recipe is so easy. We start by creaming butter and sugar until pale and light, adding in the eggs one at a time. We then add in the lemon juice and the orange and lemon zest. And then we fold in the combined flour and baking powder. Pour the batter into your lined baking tray and bake at 175 degrees for about 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out with a little bit of moisture. While the brownie is in the oven, prepare the glaze by combining just plain icing sugar with your citrus juice. I've used a mixture of mandarin, lemon, orange, tangelo, and also your zest. There's about 4 tablespoons. Give that a really good stir until nice and smooth. And pour that over your cooled brownie, pop in the fridge to set the icing, cut and serve.